Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. So children, see here, in the previous video we discussed that assignments, right? Assignment 1 and assignment 2 problems completed. So here in this video we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet 1. Okay, so let us see here what is the first question. Which of the following is equal to x plus y into 2a plus b minus 3x minus 2y into 2a plus b. 3x minus 2y into 2a plus b. Clear ma? So here what they are asking, which of the following is equal? Before going to that, first we have to take the factorization of this one. Okay, while you are saying these two, here what is the factorization here? Which one is in common? First we have to observe that. Okay, which one is in common ma here? From that first term here 2a plus b, and here from the second term here 2a plus b is there. So 2a plus b is the common term. So we can write this one common expression as 2a plus b. We can take that 2a plus b as common. The leftover ones here x plus y. Okay, from this one minus of 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y. From this one 2a plus b into x plus y minus 3x plus 2y. Okay, after that 2a plus b into simplification x minus 3x. So x minus 3x is minus 2x, and here 2y plus y is 3y. Okay, we can write this one as 2a plus b into 3y minus 2x. Okay, any one of that expression is correct. Okay, these two are the factors of that given expression. What is that? X plus y into 2a plus b minus 3x minus 2y into 2a plus b. Clear ma? From this one here 2a plus b into 3y minus 2x, or else 2a plus b into minus 2x plus 3y. So which option is correct ma here? Minus 2x plus 3y. Here it is minus 2x plus 3y 2a plus b. Okay, this one only they given. Which option is correct ma here? Yes, option C is correct, that is minus 2x plus 3y into 2a plus b. Clear? Yes. Let us see here. Second question. Which of the following is equal to? Which of the following is equal to x cube into a minus 2b plus x square into a minus 2b. Here this is also same, just like that previous one only. Here also first we have to write that the common factors. So what are the common factors here? A minus 2b, and here a minus 2b is there. So that is the common term or common expression, no? So write this one as a minus 2b into the leftover here. From that first term x cube is there, leftover. Okay, from that second expression here x square is there. Clear ma? X cube plus x square. Again we can take that common. What is that? Here x cube is there, here x square is there. So we can write this one as a minus 2b into, from these two terms here x square is in common, right? Here x 3 times there, here x 2 times there. So how many times is in common here? 2 times is in common. So we can take that x square as common. So still here x is there, x plus 1. Understand? So see here ma, we can write finally this one as a minus 2b into x square. Here we can write that, right? So x square into a minus 2b into x plus 1. Understand? So that option is there, they given or not? See here ma, x square into a minus 2b into x plus 1. So which option is correct here? Option A is correct. Understand ma? Which of the following is equal to that? X cube into a minus 2b plus x square into a minus 2b, which is equals to x square into a minus 2b into x plus 1. Clear? Yes. Let us see here next one, third one. The factors of x square plus 6 root 3 into x minus 48. The factors of x square plus 6 root 3 x minus 48. From this one factorization. So how to write the factorization of this one? See here we can write this one, and we have to write the factors of 48. Okay, factors of 48, and still one more thing, here root 3 is there. Okay, understand ma? So how to write this one as 48? We can express it as 12 4s 48. Shall we write like that? But here 12 fours are 48. But its difference or sum not equals to 6 root 3. Clear? That's why we can write this one as x square. The sum of the terms must be positive. Okay, the sum of the terms or the subtraction of the terms must be equal to that middle term, and the middle term is also positive. Clear ma? So that's why here what are the possibilities they are asking. As per that, through options also we can observe, or else here also we can say that. Okay, another two factors there. What are those? 16 3s 48. Shall we write like this ma? 16 3s 48. Okay, we can write this one as plus 8 root 3 x, and here minus 2 root 3x. Shall we write like this? 8 minus 2. Okay, 8 minus 2 is equals to here 6. And 8 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 6 root 3. And I am telling you here 16. So, when you observe this one here, we can write 16 as 8 root 3 into 2 root 3. Okay. This total one, which is equals to 8 root 3 into 2 root 3, which is equals to 48. How it will be? See here, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Okay, and root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3. Clear ma? Now here 16 into 3 is equal to 48. Is it satisfying here? Yes. See here ma. So, from these two terms, here 48 is there, no? See here, let us see here. X, from these two terms, we can take that x as common. The left over here, x plus 8 root 3. Understand? From the first two terms, we taken here x as common. Okay. From that next two terms here, 2 root 3. Here we can take that 2 root 3 as common. Okay, here you may get the doubt, madam, here root 3 is not there, no? Then how we will take that root 3 as common? Children, that's what I am saying here. Root 3, if you will take that root 3 as common, if you multiply root 3 with again root 3, okay, then you will get that 3. Understand ma? So, as per that condition here, we can write this one as C. So, x, and here already we taken as a minus as common, plus, and here root 3 is there, so root 3 is common. So, root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3. 2 3 is a 6, and here 48 is there. Okay, so 6 8 is 48. Understand? From these two terms, here again the common one is x plus 8 root 3, and here the leftover terms x minus 2 root 3. Understand? Then here the answer is x plus 8 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3. Understand ma? Then which of the following is the correct answer here? X plus 8 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3. Option C is correct here. That is x plus 8 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3. Clear? Let us see here next question, that is fourth one. The factors of, okay, the factors of 3x minus y whole square minus 2 into 3x minus y minus 35. So, these factors we need to find out. Clear? Let us take 3x minus y is equal to p. Let 3x minus y is equal to p. So, we can write this one as p square minus 2p. Here also 3x minus y is there, no? So, 3x minus y is equal to p minus 35. We need to find the factors of this expression. Okay. We can write this one as 35p square. So, 35p square means here nothing is there, no? We can take this one as 1. So, 35 into 1 is equals to 35. We need to write the factors of 35. Factors of 35, and its sum or difference must be equal to 2. Must be equal to 2. And here minus is there, means mostly that is subtraction only. So, say here 7 5 is 35. Shall we take those two are the factors of 35 ma? Yes. Okay. So, 7 and 5 are the factors. If you will take here minus 2 is there. So, that's why keep that minus 7. Minus 7 plus 5 which is equals to minus 2. So, that is satisfying here. See here, p square minus 7p plus 5p minus 35. Clear? From this one, from the first two terms, here we can take that p as common. So, the leftover 2 times there, 1 time we taken as common, still we are having that 1 more leftover time is there. So, p minus 7 plus 5 p. So from this one also p minus 7. Again we are having that common terms. What are those? P minus 7 is in common. So we can write this one as p minus 7 into here p is that leftover and here plus 5 is there. P minus 7 into p plus 5. Clear? P minus 7 into p plus 5. But children, here we taken that instead of the 3x minus y we taken as a p. Instead of that 3x minus y we taken p. Okay, just to substitute at the place of 3x minus y, just substitute that p here. Okay, from this one we can write p is equals to 3x minus y minus 7 into p plus 5. 3x minus y plus 5. Okay, these are the factors of that given expression. Understand ma? So which option is correct here? 3x minus y minus 7. 3x minus y minus 7. 3x minus y plus 5. Which option is correct here? Option A is correct. Am I clear ma? Yes. So let us see here fifth question. What is that? Let us check that 3x square minus 10x plus 8. Again we need to take the factors of 8 3 is 24. So we need to take the factors of 24. So what are the factors of 24? And that factors must be satisfies that its sum or addition must be equals to middle term, that is minus 10. Okay, so here possible values are 12 and 2. Okay, 12 2s are 24, satisfying. But here 12 minus 2 which is equals to 10, satisfying. Okay, just to say here we are having the middle term as minus 10. Okay, middle term as minus 10. So we can keep that minus 12. Okay, the biggest number is having that negative sign, that is a minus 12. From this one here, minus 12 plus 2 is equal to minus 10. So middle term is satisfying. But here minus 12 into 2 is equals to minus 24, but we are having here positive 24. This is also positive and this is also positive, that's why plus 24. Okay, that's why 12 and 2 are not satisfying here. 12 and 2 are not satisfying. That's why here we have to go for that another possibility. What is that another possibility? That is 6 4s 24. 6 4s 24. Here, if you keep that negative sign, minus 6 and here minus 4. If you take the sum of minus 6 and minus 4, we will get that minus 10. And the product of minus into minus is positive. Okay, and in the same way 6 into 4 is equals to 24. Clear? That's why 3x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 8. From that first two terms, here take that 3x as common. From that first two terms, take that 3x as common. The left over here, x minus 3 2s are 6. Clear? From that next two terms, here we can take that 4 as common. Okay? From this one, x minus 2. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. Okay? Again, from these two terms, take that x minus 2 as common. Take that x minus 2 as common. The left over here, 3x minus 4. Okay, these two are the factors of the given expression. Which option is correct now here? X minus 2 into 3x minus 4. X minus 2 into 3x minus 4. Which option is correct here? Yes, option D is correct. Understand? Just check here again. X into 3x is equal to 3x square. And here minus 4x minus 6x, which is equals to minus 10x plus 8. Satisfying, no ma? Yes. Next, see here. Sixth question. What is that? The factors of x square plus 2xy minus 15y square. Just like the previous one only. See here. X square plus 2xy minus 15y square. Minus 15y square. So here nothing is there, means 1 into 15. 1 into 15 is equals to 15. We need to write the factors of 15 here. We need to write the factors of 15. So what are the factors of 15 here? 3 5s 15. Okay. Shall we take like that? 3 5s 15. Satisfying. And in the same way, the difference of 3 and 5 is 2xy. The difference of 3 and 5 or 5 and 3 is 2. Okay, in that manner also those two are satisfying. And in the same way, here if you will keep that negative sign, we have to keep to which number? 3 or 5? Yes, we have to keep negative sign for that minus 3. Why? Because here the value is positive. When we will get that positive value? While you are taking the difference of two numbers, if the greatest number is having that negative sign, then we will get that negative value. If the greatest number is having that positive sign, then we will get that positive answer. Okay. So by using that condition, here we can write this one as minus 3 and 5. So just take the product, minus 3 into 5 is equals to minus 15. That one also satisfying here, minus 15. Understand? Why? Because the minus 15 into plus 1 is equal to minus 15. Along with the sign, we have to check that. Okay. See here, x square, we can write this one as a plus 5xy. Why? Because here xy is there no more, so that's why write here xy. Minus 3xy minus 15y square. From this one, from the first two terms, take that x as common. So x plus 5y. And here take that minus 3y as common. Minus 3y as common. So here the leftover x is there. And here minus already we taken as common. So still here minus into plus is equal to, again we will get it as a minus. Okay. See here minus into plus is equal to minus 3 5 15 y. Already we taken y as common. Okay. That's why x plus 5 is the leftover. Okay. See here again x plus 5y, x plus 5y are in common. Okay. From this one take that x plus 5y as common. Okay. From this one the leftover x minus 3y. This is the required answer. What is that? X plus 5y into x minus 3y. Understand ma? Which option is correct here? X plus 5y into x minus 3y. X plus 5y, x minus 3y. So option D is correct. Am I clear, children? So up to here, in this video we discussed 1 to 6 questions. In that next video we will discuss that the leftover questions. Okay, thank you.